Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I will be honest with you, I have been a little bit stressed recently. There's been a lot of stuff going on, which I will fill you guys in about soon, and just not been feeling my best. And times like these, when we're not feeling our best, are the times that self-care becomes that much more important. So I decided to do this video partially for myself, partially to give you guys some ideas and inspiration for new things you can do to pamper yourself and take care of yourself. And there's a little bit of a fall theme to this just because we're getting into fall. I'm really excited about it. So I hope you enjoy the ideas I'm sharing today. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe if you're new. I have my 1,000,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I will leave the information for that down in the description box. So with all that said, let's jump into my fall self-care routine. So we're gonna start our self-care routine with a relaxing at-home facial. I found this little facial steamer from Amazon, and all you have to do is add water to kick it up a notch. You can also put some essential oils for added aromatherapy. I'm adding a few drops of lavender. Then just sit, let your face steam, relax, and what the steam does is it loosens the dirt and debris in your pores. After about 5 minutes of steaming, apply your favorite face mask. I got this orange pumpkin mask from Lush. I thought it was very fall appropriate. Let that mask sit for 5 to 10 minutes while you relax, then rinse off your face, and at this point, I love to give myself a full facial massage. This will get the blood flowing in your face that helps plump up your skin. I like to use a non-comedogenic oil. I use my Vassar Beauty oil that I created. I could literally bathe in this stuff. It is incredible. And you could do this using your fingers. Go in circular motions around the orbital bone, which is your eye socket area. You want to do upward strokes on your neck and jawline. And then you could do this little crisscross pattern on the rest of your face. Also, my mom brought for me this Jade Beauty Roller, which you can roll on your face. It achieves the same result, which is just increasing the blood flow to your facial area. It also feels really good. And I leave whatever excess oil is left on my skin overnight. It's really hydrating and it's packed with antioxidants. Probably my all-time favorite pampering ritual is a bath. So we are going to take our bath up a notch and also add a foot treatment at the end. So to get the ambiance going in your bathroom and also some fall vibes, I lit this pumpkin crackling wick candle. And if you've never experienced a crackling wick candle, they are so amazing because they make this little crackling sound. Almost sounds like you have a lit fire in the room. I just absolutely love them. I also made a cup of my favorite fall tea. This is a cinnamon spice tea. And a little tip, you can also add apple chips into the tea to give it a taste almost like a spiced apple cider. I love doing this. Now for a bath, the secret to getting amazing fluffy bubbles is to pour your bubble bath in when you first turn on the water under that running water, and that friction will allow the bubbles to form and be big and luscious. So to set up my ideal bath, I get music going. Then I'm gonna add this fall bath bomb I picked up from Lush. Then I have my bath tray with my tea and a notepad and pen. When I'm trying to relax, I make every effort to stay away from my phone and just focus on the music and relaxing. And I'll use this notepad to write my thoughts. Also, one of the best things that you can do is write what you're grateful for. Focus on the good things going on in your life. It is so easy to think about the negative things and what's going wrong, but instead try to focus on what's going right and write those things down. It's a very powerful exercise, and just doing that can instantly put you in a better mood. So after the bath, I decided to give myself a little foot and body treatment. So starting with my feet, I'm using this electric pumice stone to gently buff the calluses off my feet. And the skin on your feet is much thicker than the rest of your body. It can develop calluses, and cracks in it, so it's really good to get all of that off. Then there's a polishing brush attachment that I'll put on here, and this will just make my feet really soft. And it's one of those little things in life that when you have soft feet, you just feel good. And after this, I will do some dry brushing. This is an amazing way to increase circulation and blood flow in your body. It also helps break down any cellulite that you have on your body. I do mine with oil, so I will slather my body oil all over, and then I'll use my dry brush going in circular motions upward towards your heart. So you always want to be moving the brush in circular motions towards your heart. And then the last and my personal favorite step in my entire self-care ritual is my at-home massage. So this is a little neck massager device that I got on Amazon. I've talked about it before, but this is possibly my favorite thing that I own. Yes, I know that sounds dramatic, but I love this thing so much, and you can maneuver it around your body to give yourself a full body massage. So I will typically start with my neck. I'll move it on my upper back. For me, that's where I hold most of my tension, so I'll spend a lot of time on my upper back, and the key is to move it around until it's really getting those knots. It also has heat in it. Then I will move it down to my lower back. Then I'll move it onto my feet, and I get every part of my foot. So the ball of my foot, the heel of my foot, and the crevices around my heel. I will do my calves and my thighs. I really do use this thing on my entire body. I do this full body massage almost every night, and I just feel so relaxed and so amazing after doing this. All right, so that's gonna be it for this week's video, but there's also a little surprise giveaway at the end I wanted to do for you guys. I'm going to be giving away to one of you my favorite neck massager. I showed you all how I use it. It's just the best thing ever. So I wanted to give one out to one of you. All you have to do to be entered is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below of what your favorite thing is to do to take care of yourself or pamper yourself. And I will pick one person at random 2 weeks from today. This is an international giveaway, and I will leave all the other details down in the description box. And with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.